Good evening, guys. Welcome back to my channel once again. Hope everyone is doing good. So we'll check the F&O data of big players and we'll compare the data with prior trading day, that is 11th trading day, not with yesterday's trading day. So we'll follow by FII. In future index, they were having a long position of 36% and short of 63.4%. So today they have increased their longs, reduced their short by 10%. So they have 46% long, 54% short. In option index, they were having a 15,000 of call writing position and input they were having a put writing of 3,000 contract. So here red means negative, green means positive everywhere. So in call they have unwinded the call writing positions and made a fresh call buying of 1.75 lakhs of call buying, and in put they have unwinded put writing and made a put buying of 1.57 lakhs. So they have had their positions call versus put. And in cash market they have sold for 3033 crores today. So see FII they are increasing their longs in futures, they are positive in future index, but they are neutral, or we can call it as hedging their positions in options, and they are booking the profit in cash market. They actually don't have any view, but they are positive in futures. Client are the retailers. In future index, they were having a 55.7 long percentage, short 44.3. So what they have done today, they have booked the profit on long side, and as well as they increase the short by 4 percentage. Option index, they were having a call buying of 2.82 lakhs contracts. So today they have unwinded maximum of the call buying and made a fresh call writing of 1.23 lakhs of call writing, and input they were holding a 42,000 of put writing. They have increased their put writing of by 2.60 lakh contracts. So they have 3 lakhs of put writing. They are very much bullish in options as well as they are neutral in future index. Proprietor desk, in future index they were having 62% long and 37% short. So they have booked the profit on futures. So they have reduced the longs, increased the short by 7%. Option index, they were having a call writing 2.69 lakhs of call writing. So they have unwinded call writing by 2.14 lakh contracts. So they are holding 54,000 of call writing. And at put side, they were having 1.43 lakhs of put writing contract. They have maximized their profit and they have booked the profit on put writing. So unwinded 1.22 lakh contract, still holding 20,000 of put writing contract, and they have purchased for 750 crores. So proprietor also have started booking their profit and they are neutral in F&O positions. Now let's check the price action. The best thing what I have, India VIX is falling continuously from past couple of days, and it is a very good sign of the market stability. So we'll check Nifty in 1 day time frame. So it is beyond the resistance only, but we have seen a profit booking day today. So market is not sustaining the higher level, so it is still wait and watch to give a very good volume breakout. Then we can see a good upside move. So it is still wait and watch whether it is going to consolidate here for some days. So that will be better for the market. So Bank Nifty in 1 day time frame, it is also the same situation, and until it is consolidating in this range, it is very good and it is very better for the market. So we can see a higher side breakout or else on a downside breakdown also we can see. So it is a time for consolidation only. So that's it for today guys. Hope you like my analysis. So please do like, share and subscribe to my channel.